guys, welcome back to my channel. Name is Kristina, and I'm going to be sharing with you teeth whitening. Because the first thing you notice on a person is going to be their beautiful white smile. Or that's what we're going to help them get, you get, and everyone get. A healthy, happy, white smile. So the company I have partnered with is Hismile. So they have a kit that guarantees you within 6 days, 6 treatments, you'll be able to achieve a brighter, whiter smile. So this is how your kit will come. You will have an empty box, 3 vials, a mouth guard, and a LED light that you attach to the mouth guard. Now within these 3 vials, you're able to get 6 treatments, 2 treatments each syringe. And then you'll go ahead and take your mouth guard and your LED light. You're going to place it right inside like so. This is what it looks like. This is what you would put inside your mouth. And then this is the blue LED light that really activates the gel to work its absolute best. What I love about the LED light, it is timed for 10 minutes because that's all you need every day. Out of your 24-hour busy schedule, you only need 10 minutes for a teeth whitening treatment. So I think that's pretty amazing. So you can do it when you're getting ready in the morning, when you're going to bed, watching TV. Heck, you could do it while you're in the car. And the best thing about it is you don't have to keep track of the time because this will do that for you. So what you would do is brush your teeth to really make sure that you get out any debris, especially if you've just eaten. Okay, you're gonna take one of the vials like this. Now it does have measurements on the tube itself, and it's 1/4. So what you would do is take 1/4 to the top of the mouth guard and to the bottom of it. So you're gonna do it on both sides. You're gonna pop it in, press your light, 10 minutes is up, rinse your mouth, and you are good to go. Now again, it's 6 treatments for 6 days, and you're to maintenance every 2 weeks to once a month perhaps. So this is really going to help you get a whiter, brighter smile. I will insert some clips. I did my 6 days and I'm super impressed. The #1 key thing here, which I've struggled with in the past with a similar treatment, was that the formula left my mouth really, I have sensitive teeth, but it left my gums very sensitive, where I felt like my gums were really sore, like they went through a workout or something, and it just was very, very uncomfortable, and most of the time I couldn't even fulfill the full time that I needed, so I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. So with this, I have absolutely no sensitivity in the 6 days that I've been using this. I feel like my teeth are just a lot whiter. So that's a plus, plus, plus. This is their newer formula. They did have an older formula. So it is time, if you have used this company before or this formula before, it is time to update to their newer formula. And it's gonna give you a better experience and a better, brighter smile. And I think that's what we all really want to achieve, is a bright, white smile. Let's see how many times I say bright white smile in this video. So what else does it come with? I love that it comes with one of these little sheets here, one of these little cards, and this is really gonna help you kind of keep track of your progress. So it has a 1 through 12. Lord help us if we have a 12, but that's okay because that's what Hismile's for. It's gonna get us down to this 1 to 4 range. Now, beginning when I used this product, I was in the, I would say 4 to 5 range, but now I am definitely down to about, I'm gonna say a 2 to 3. I'm definitely not a 1. Let's say you already are within the 1 to 4 range. It's gonna really help your teeth be smoother. It's gonna make the appearance of your teeth just look that much better. So you have white teeth and they're healthy looking, they're shiny, they're not dull, and that's why I love using this whole system. You do not need to purchase a kit every time. They do sell refill boxes. This has some gels inside. It says use once every 2 weeks to maintain results. And I love the ingredients. The key ingredients is pomegranate, aloe vera, chamomile, and this is the PAP and hydroxyapatite is the newest ingredient here that's really going to help with the sensitivity and brightening your teeth. We do sell some other products which are pretty amazing. Now these two are their day and night. So the white one you would use in the morning and the black one you would use at night. Teeth are whiter, brighter, but they feel healthier, they feel smoother. Like I catch myself during the day like just running my tongue over my teeth to feel how smooth they are. I have gotten a lot of compliments already, like, wow, your teeth are like really shiny, like what are you using? And hi Smile. Hi Smile. Overall, super happy with the entire line. I will show you some inserted clips, if I haven't already, of my little tooth journey. I'm just gonna show you day 1, day 3, and day 6, which is, this is pretty much day 6. And I just love that even with darker lipsticks or red lipsticks, my teeth just really stand out and they don't look yellow, which is key for us lipstick lovers. But yeah, I'm really impressed. I love the line. I have no sensitivity. I have no complaints whatsoever. And I would absolutely recommend this kit. I think it's a great Christmas present, a little holiday gift in the stocking. So you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys achieve a whiter, brighter smile. Happy holidays, you guys.